Hi, today we're going to show you how to clean the Promek 223 juice dispenser. Now Promek make a single, double and a triple version of this. It's the same cleaning procedure, but just more tanks for each one. This is the twin tank. What you're going to need for cleaning is some clean cloths, disposable cloths. You're going to need some warm soapy water to clean the unit, and you're also going to need clean water as well, and access to a sink for cleaning the various parts that you take off. I'd also recommend wearing food-safe rubber gloves, disposable ones like these, for food hygiene purposes. Of course, at all times, make sure that you're complying with all food hygiene laws. The first thing to do before we start anything at all is switch the unit off. It's quite simple, just green button here, just press that across, see the motor's stopped, nothing's now happening, and then you need to unplug it from the mains, so switch it off at the mains, pull the plug out. Now the unit's isolated from the electricity, we can start cleaning the cabinet. So the first thing to do is any juice that's left in the unit you need to remove. So just get a suitable bucket or similar and just press it up underneath, push it out, and then just drain anything that's left in the cabinet out. There we go, just put that to one side. So get rid of any juice correctly. So now you've got an empty cabinet ready to clean. First thing to do is take the lid off. All the bits we take off you need to wash with warm soapy water and then rinse, make sure they're thoroughly clean. So that goes away for cleaning. There's a stirrer here which is on this metal base in the middle. Now the metal bit's the evaporator, that's the part that gets cold. Literally just lift it off, give it a good clean, warm soapy water, and rinse. Now we've got a cabinet that we can clean the bowl out correctly. So if we get some warm soapy water, which we've got here, dip that in, and then taking one of your fresh clean cloths, soak that in, and then we just need to clean the whole inside of the cabinet with the warm soapy water. Make sure you get into all the corners, all the way around. A little well around the tap, make sure you, again, cleaning all the corners there. And then this central column, the evaporator, make sure that gets a good clean. Now there's a little plastic stirrer tab at the top, you can just lift that up, just wipe underneath there. You can lift it out, but just be aware there's food safe grease on there, which you don't really want to get on your clothes. It's a bit like Vaseline. When you put it down, it just clicks into place. You can see there's resistance there, it turns the motor. So we've given that a good clean out. Make sure it's thoroughly clean, there's no bits of dirt or any particles of juice left in there. And then you just need to drain that out again as well. There we go, dispose of that. Now take another clean cloth and just give it a wipe round the inside. This is just to remove, get as much soap out of it as possible before we rinse it out. Just going all the way around there. Make sure you get to the corners again. And into the well, just where the juice drains out. There we go. Right, then take a bucket of clean water. Or probably something slightly lighter in the bucket. Clean water, another clean cloth, and just give that a good rinse round. Evaporator in the middle, the well in the front where the juice drains out. Make sure you clean all the way to the top around the rim. and then drain it out again. Then one more time, clean water just to give it a quick rinse. Right, so now we've got the bowl clean, all we need to do now is the tap at the front and the drip tray. So to take the tap off at the front, you've got the Promek logo here. If you grab it firmly around there, you've got this round section here, and we just twist anti-clockwise to the clicks. You're probably going to get a bit of water dripping out, that's fine, we've got a drip tray underneath. If you just pull the handle forwards and putting your thumb on the round section, it'll just lift out. Again, take this away for cleaning. This white rubber section here will just pull off. Sometimes takes a bit of persuasion. Take that away for cleaning. Warm soapy water. And then take the drip tray off. That lid just lifts off. Get rid of any water that's collected in there or any juice. Again, warm soapy water to take it away for cleaning. Now you've got a clean unit. That is ready to be put back together again. So, clean drip tray, back in. Clean tap. Promek logo to the front. This round section here, just push it forwards with your thumb. Slide it in at a slight angle, facing towards me. And then twist clockwise till it clicks into place. You see there, it's not going anywhere. Tap moves nicely. Stirrer, just pop it in there, like so. Just drop in. You can tell it's in properly because it'll turn the motor. And that's it, you're now ready to refill with juice. Once you've refilled with juice, put the lid back on, plug it in, switch the plug, and then press the green switch to switch it back on again. Once you've done all that, take another clean cloth and just wipe down the exterior of the tub. So now you can't get down that centre section, don't try to. You can also wipe down the front of the cabinet. Make sure any splatters are got rid of. They're waterproof switches, so that's fine, but don't get excessive amounts of water or anything. Back as well. And there we go.